Hi everyone, I'm Akshaya. I'm pursuing my fourth year BTech at Vardhaman College of Engineering in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Recently, I have been selected as an AI intern at GEP company through Gradious. I enrolled in a machine learning course at Gradious, which was an 8-month training program. In this training program, we had live training sessions on every Saturday, where a trainer taught the complex machine learning concepts in an easy and understandable way. Their industrial experience helped us to apply this ML concepts in a real-world projects. Along with this live sessions on every weekend, we used to have a practice sessions on every in a week. Like we had 2 practice sessions in a week where we used to solve assignments and problem solving tasks. We used to complete in this practice sessions. These assignments offered by Gradious, these are very well structured, like starting from a basic, gradually increasing its complexity. Gradious team was very supportive, like they used to help us out when we stuck in any problem while solving any assignments or any due date related issue for submission of any project. They used to help us and they used to guide us to do complete all the assignments within the time. At last, thank you Gradious team for your support and encouragement throughout this journey.